Dear fellow friends, today our Great Symphony will show our creative compositions. My name is Karen Chong, the group leader of Group Symphony, with metric number 74345. I'm from Faculty Economy and Business.
Hi, my name is Gordon Balansiang and my metric number is 74918 and I am from the Faculty of Engineering, UNIMAS.
Hi, hello there. My name is Titus Ron Henry Andrew. My metric number is 68338 and I am from the Faculty of Computer Science.
Hi, I am Hu Yongfong. Number metric is 75027. I am from FEB, Faculty Economy and Business.
Hi everyone, my name is Yo Kai In with metric number 77215. I am from Faculty Economics and Business.
Hi, my name is Ko Chashians with metric number 75305 and I'm from Faculty Economy and Business.
For the music composition, I'm going to present about how do we compose this music. For the rhythm is using 67 beat for the Kenyah part, and the Iban part is 55 BPM. It means both has a slightly faster beat and another one is slower beat. For the tempo, for the Kenyah is using Adigo tempo. It is slow and slightly gentle, like literally at ease. It's 55 to 65 BPM. And for the Ibian music, we use lento tempo. It's slow, the slowest, not really to say the slowest, but it's slower than the Kenyah music, that is 40 to 45 BPM. And for the meter is quadruple. We're using quadruple. Quadruple is a meter with 4 primary beats. It is literally a version of tuple meter, but because it is the most commonly used meter in music, it has its own level. It is also called common time. It demonstrates the subtle effects of accent on a rhythm. Types of music texture we use, it's called homophonic or homophony. It is a musical texture in which a main melodic line is supported by one or more additional music line that adds harmonic support. It is also a musical texture that we hear most often today. The traditional homophony is when all voices play or sing in roughly the same time, same rhythm, and it creates a full texture. The scale is minor and the key is G minor.
All members have involved in this discussion about what kind of Sarawak traditional music should we use and how could we create a creative composition in this project. After the discussions, we decided to choose Kenyang song named as Leleng Leleng as our part of compositions and also the song of Ngajat Puak Kumbu. Besides, we also have discussed about what material we have in our household to convenient each of us in performing. Below, there are 13 materials of each members to use for us to present a unique performance.
How do we derive the ideas, melodic and rhythmic pattern? The idea of our music performance was to combine 2 Sarawak traditional music from different tribes, which are Kenyah with their Leleng song and Iban with their Ngajat Puak Kumbu music. The lyrics Leleng Leleng Otan Along means spins while dancing in direct translation. The lyrics are basically tell us part of the dancing steps of Kenyah traditional dance. Ngajat Semain, also known as Ngajat Puak Kumbu, is a dance strictly for women. The Puak Kumbu is a ceremonial cloth made out of cotton, adorned with colorful traditional patterns. This Ngajat heavily features the Puak Kumbu in its choreography as the woman hold it up to prominently display it whilst dancing. For our rhythmic pattern, we decided to perform in slow and leisurely tempo. Eventually, we came up to have Adagio and Lento tempo. Both tempos were derived by the aid of online app. The tempos were determined by listening carefully to our music performance video and tapping the space key on the laptop keyboard to find the beats per minute. BPM. The mini stars grouped in 4 below the BPM reading indicates the meter of our music performance, which is in quadruple meter.
We do a research for which song is suitable for our group assignment. We search it on YouTube based on Sarawak traditional music and dance. We find it a two video on the YouTube, that is the Lele and Ngajak Puak Kumbu. We refer Lele and Ngajak Puak Kumbu song to base on our material to perform a song. That's all for my part.
My group members and I will use Zoom to rehearse together. Each member choose a material to perform a song of our choice. We will record the rehearsals and work with the crew to work out which part don't match or need improvement.
From this assignment, I have the opportunity to learn and explore more about Sarawak culture and heritage. This assignment also helped me to be more creative in choosing random materials as a percussion instruments, and also helped me to expand my understanding towards important elements in composing music such as rhythm, music textures, scales, and key. My capability to maintain the tempo of my instruments throughout the performance also have been improvised.
And from what I can learn and understand from this project is that I able to understand the two cultures of traditional Trocan music, that is Kenyah, Leleng, and also the Iban tribe, that is the Ngajak Puak Kumbu music. Both music are combined to one, being created by me and my teammates, and although it's not a perfect good music because we cannot get along and create it, we have to create it visually, and some of us has a limited instruments. We don't have instruments. Some of us, we just mimic whatever things we have around, and we try to create a simple tune. And I hope that it is something that we can understand by using just the tempo and rhythm, and we can just create this simple and beautiful music of traditional music of Sarawak.
I learned that I play household material like plastic tissue box as drum. It will come out a nice melody every time. I think that is a nice creativity when our group members choose their material to play the music and combine together into the one video. I think it will change my experiment and improve my performance. When I first time listen traditional music, I think that the Sarawak traditional music and dance is interesting. So I know every music have its own feature like melody and rhythm. That's all for me.
For my reflection, I thought it is a novelty and creative assignment. We need to use a variety of household material to perform music. I complete my assignment by using a mug and spoon to take out the music. Through the performance, I learned more about Sarawak traditional music and dance, which is the Leleng of Kenyah and Ngajak Puak Kumbu of Iban.
For my reflection, it's very interesting for me with using a combination of different material from the household to create a creative composition. Through this performance, I can learn more about the famous Iban's dance, which is Ngajak, and the unique rhythm of Kenyah traditional music and dance.
It was said that we cannot discuss and do this task face to face during this pandemic, but I've learned new things, especially about the technology such as editing the video and the trust and teamwork amongst every group members to run the project smoothly. This assignment was pretty interesting and explore my creativity to the combinations of using household equipments for our music performance.